You can have either coffee or tea. Neither Jack nor Jenny can go to the meeting. Either or. Neither nor. These are two patterns that are commonly found on the TOEIC and other English exams. Today, let's master this English. Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and today I'd like to help you out with another English grammar point from the TOEIC Part 5 and other English exams. Knowing how to use either and neither correctly will not only help you on those exams, but it's also going to help improve your everyday English conversation skills. First of all, we use either or when we talk about a possible choice between two or more things. Ms. Tanaka is available to meet with you either on Wednesday or Thursday. We can go by either subway, bus, or taxi. The mechanic said that we can either replace the engine or buy a new car. Either or. That's the first pattern to remember. Keep in mind, we use either or with a positive verb, not a negative verb. It's possible to say, you can have either coffee or tea, but it's not possible to say, you can't have either coffee or tea. We have to use either or with a positive verb. You can have either coffee or tea. The projector is either in the conference room or in the hall closet. Either or and a positive verb. We use neither nor when we join two negative words or phrases. Neither nor is the opposite of both and. Neither the conference room nor the meeting room is big enough for this workshop. Because of the tight financial situation, the company can give neither promotions nor bonuses this year. Ms. Handler was neither in her office nor the conference room. Neither nor. That's the second pattern. You can have neither coffee nor tea. We just have water. Keep in mind, the best way to remember this or other vocabulary is to take the phrase you want to remember, write a sentence that's true for you or true in your world, and then memorize your sentences. Why not take either or neither nor and write your example down below in the comments. And now I have neither more time nor more information for you. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment with this vocabulary, and I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.